Adding a timestamp to a YouTube video is really simple, but many people still struggle with the process. After watching this video, you will be able to add a timestamp to your YouTube videos like this one. So simply watch this video till the end. First, go to youtube.com and then go to your profile and go to My Channel. And then go to your profile and go to YouTube Studio. Here, go to Content. Now, select the video which you want to add a timestamp to. Let me select a long video just for the process. So, click on the pencil icon and go to Details. In the new tab, just open a YouTube video link for the reference. Currently, you can see that I have no timestamps placed. So, in order to add a timestamp to this video, you simply need to edit the description. For example, just for the demo, let me press enter here. The beginning of the video is an intro which begins on 0 to 00. So simply type in 0, put a colon and then put 00. Now name this timestamp. For example, I'm going to name it intro. Now when the intro ends, for example, let me just assume my intro ends at 0 to 12 seconds. Put in 0:12 and then add the second phase of your video. After you're done, in a similar way, repeat the process for the other phrases. Let us assume a new part starts at 0 to 49 seconds. So, just simply type in 0:49 and then write part 2, demo. Press enter again, go to your video and find the next part. Then come back and put in the timestamps again. Part 3, demo. Now, just for the outro, let me just assume 2:5 seconds. Here, put in 2:05 and then put in outro. Now, in order to see the changes, simply click on Save. And then click the link to view your YouTube video. As you can see, we have successfully added the timestamps. If you look at the description, you can still see the timestamps. This will make it easy for the viewers. If you click on 00, it will take you to the introduction. If you click on the next timestamp, it will take you to the part 2. If you click on another, it will take you to the next part. This is how you can add timestamps to your videos. If this video was helpful to you, do leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We will post more awesome videos like this one on our channel. So stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you.